look at marine mammals. Any idea, do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, sea lion friends? And you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a pause for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for sea lion friends. As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Nice smile. Hey. They also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from breaking the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision in the wild. They inhabit waters close to shores, flock to rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Shortly strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using throwing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ira and Trainer David. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, when I see this, 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. How about applause for Isis? The pretty yes. Wow, nice slide, girl. And another one. She's asking for it. Alright guys, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance? Well, music master. Let's move it. All right, clap your hands, everybody. Now, guys, show down this side by side. And the flipper dancing. Rock and roll like this, and into the water. our sea lion friends and for the trees as well for that great nice number. Wow, sweet. Thank you, Isis, Ira, and traders. We hope you all enjoy this spending afternoon Kulit Aquatica with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lion, Isis, and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land really affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, cannot survive in the trash-filled environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanariums. Always keep in mind that we are a stewards planet and thus, each one of us must do on what we can to protect and preserve all inhabitants of our motherland, including themselves. So on behalf of Isis and Raider Derry, Ira and Raider David, and all of us here at Aquatica and Middle Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoyed and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye now to our sea lion friends. Bye! Just a reminder, guys, please do not cross the yellow line. Once again, please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.